Hi and welcome to another in Start Rescue's series of driver information videos. In this video we will show you how to check the tread of your tyre, an easy task that will ensure your car is safe as well as legal. The law states that the tread depth of a tyre must be above 1.6 millimeters, and this has to be the case for the middle 3/4 of the tyre. One way of checking is by using the simple test where you take a 20p coin and insert it into the tread grooves on the tyre. If you cannot see the outer band on the coin on the side that is touching the tyre is okay and above the legal limit. On the other hand, if you can see the band and that section of the coin is still visible, the tyre could be unsafe and needs to be inspected by a professional. Another method of checking is by using Tyre Tread wear indicators, or wear bars, which are spaced evenly through the main longitudinal grooves in the tyre tread. They show how much of the tyre has already rubbed off, and if the tyre is worn out. You can also use a tyre tread depth gauge, a tool that quickly measures the depth of an individual tyre groove. Remember, this process should be repeated on all 4 of your vehicle's tyres, as each can wear in different places and at different rates. If your tyre is still within legal limits, but showing signs of wear, you should consider replacing it as soon as possible. If your tyre is on or below the legal limit, you should have it replaced straight away. You should always check your vehicle handbook for any fault remedy before carrying out any work on your vehicle. If you are unsure of what is required to fix any problems, please consult a professional.